Today, I'll show you 3 simple ways to add a glow effect to your thumbnails or any photos. So let's get started. First, select your image and resize it as needed. Next, use the Quick Selection tool. Click on Select Subject, then go to the Layer menu and choose Add Mask. Now, double-click the background layer, press Ctrl plus Backspace, and your background will turn black. Create a new layer, select it, and change its color. Now, press Ctrl and click on the mask to select it. After that, click on the new layer. Select the brush tool and set the flow to 10 or 15. Gently brush the areas as per your preference. I'll speed up the video from here. This method may not be the most professional, but it's perfect for those looking to work quickly. The second method might be a bit more complex, but it's incredibly useful. First, select your image, create a new layer, and ensure the background color is black. Press Ctrl plus Backspace to fill the layer with black. Now, change the blending mode of the layer to screen. Select the new layer again and choose Gradient Map from the options. Click on the Color section to change the colors. Add 2 more colors to the gradient. Set the first one to black, the second to a darker shade of the color you've chosen, and the third to a slightly brighter shade. Finally, set the last one to white and adjust the positions to get a smooth gradient. Next, press Alt and click between the 2 layers to mask them together. Select both layers and press Ctrl plus G to group them. Name the group Glow. Now, press Ctrl and click on the mask while making sure the group layer is selected. Click on the mask again, open the group, and select the black layer. Make sure the colors are set to black and white. Choose the brush tool and gently paint over the areas where you want the glow effect, ensuring the white color is active. Press X to switch colors if needed, and remove or add glow as necessary. To add glow on the other side, repeat the same steps and create another glow group. The third method is very useful. First, click on the Adjustment layer and select Solid Color. Choose black as the color. Now change the blending mode of this layer to Screen. Next, add a new layer. And again go to Adjustment layer and select Gradient Map. Adjust the gradient just like in the second method, adding your desired colors. Now, press Alt and click between these 3 layers to mask them. Select all 3 layers, press Ctrl plus G and group them. Name the group Glow. Open the group, select the middle layer, and pick the brush tool. Make sure the color is set to white, and randomly brush where you want the glow effect to appear. Once you've applied the glow, select the layer and click on the mask option from the bottom. Now press Ctrl plus I to invert the mask. Now, set the brush color to black and carefully remove the glow from any areas where it's not needed. Just like before, add the glow wherever you want. To add glow to the other side, simply copy the group, delete the middle layer, add a new layer, and apply the glow effect in the same way. If you have any suggestions or need a more detailed video, feel free to comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.